Ever wondered how to master the art of crafting prompts for ChatGPT? Welcome to the fascinating universe of artificial intelligence, where the ability to converse with a machine is no longer a dream, but a reality. The key to this reality? Mastering ChatGPT prompts. ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, has reshaped the way we interact with artificial intelligence. It's not just about giving commands, it's a conversation, a dialogue, a two-way street. And as with any conversation, the way you phrase your prompts can make all the difference. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our lives, understanding how to communicate effectively with these systems is not just a luxury, but a necessity. Whether it's for business, personal projects, or just curiosity, learning to craft effective prompts for ChatGPT can open doors to new possibilities. So what's the secret to mastering these ChatGPT prompts? Let's delve deeper. First, it's crucial to understand what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a conversational AI model. It's designed to generate human-like text responses based on the prompts or inputs it receives. But how does it do this? Well, it uses a type of AI known as a language model. At its core, a language model is a piece of software that's been trained on a large amount of text data. It learns patterns in the data to understand grammar, context, and even some aspects of world knowledge. When given a prompt, it uses this understanding to predict and generate a relevant response. ChatGPT isn't just a simple question-answer machine. It's more like a sophisticated text generator that you can guide with your prompts. The better your prompts, the more accurate and useful ChatGPT's responses will be. Knowing how ChatGPT operates is key to mastering prompts. But that's just the beginning. Now, how do you craft an effective prompt for ChatGPT? This question is vital, and the answer can drastically improve your interaction with AI. Let's delve into it. Crafting effective prompts is more of an art than a science. It's about striking a balance between being explicit and providing context, all while maintaining the right tone. It's a skill that can be honed with practice and understanding. Let's start with being explicit. ChatGPT, like all AI, is literal. It will take your prompt at face value, so it's crucial to be clear and direct. Instead of saying, "Tell me something interesting," try, "Provide me with 3 fascinating facts about space exploration." This prompt is explicit and leaves little room for misinterpretation. Next, let's talk about providing context. Context helps ChatGPT understand the situation better and tailor its response accordingly. Consider the difference between "translate this" and "translate this English sentence into French." The latter provides context about the target language, enabling the AI to respond appropriately. Now, on to the tone. The tone of your prompt plays a significant role in shaping the AI's response. A formal tone will yield a formal response, while a casual tone will yield a casual response. For instance, "Can you draft a formal invitation for a business meeting?" versus "Can you help me write an invite for a friendly get-together?" The tone sets the stage for the AI's output. Let's put it all together. A well-crafted prompt could be, "Generate a detailed itinerary for a 7-day trip to Paris, focusing on art and history." This prompt is explicit, provides context, and sets the tone for a detailed, informative response. The key to mastering prompts is practice and experimentation. Play around with different strategies, observe how ChatGPT responds, and keep refining your approach. Remember, the perfect prompt is clear, concise, and guides the AI in the direction you want. It's like painting a picture with words for the AI to bring to life. So get creative, get clear, and most importantly, have fun exploring this exciting world of AI conversation. But what are some common mistakes people make when crafting prompts for ChatGPT? Well, let's dive right into it. The first common mistake is being too vague. ChatGPT, like any AI, thrives on clear, specific instructions. When you're vague, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. The AI is left to guess what you want, often leading to results that are off the mark. So instead of asking ChatGPT something like, "Tell me a story," try something more specific, such as, "Tell me a story about a knight defending his kingdom from a dragon." The second common mistake is not providing enough context. Think of it this way. You wouldn't jump into the middle of a conversation without knowing what has been said before, would you? The same goes for ChatGPT. If you want to continue a conversation or a story, make sure to include the previous parts of the conversation as part of your prompt. This gives ChatGPT the context it needs to generate a coherent and relevant response. The third common pitfall is using complex language. ChatGPT is an AI, not a linguist. While it's capable of understanding complex sentences, keeping your language simple and straightforward will yield the best results. For instance, instead of saying, "Could you elucidate on the intricacies of quantum physics for me?" just ask, "Can you explain quantum physics in simple terms?" Lastly, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you interact with ChatGPT, the better you'll get at crafting effective prompts. Experiment with different styles and approaches until you find what works best for you. And there you have it. By being specific, providing context, keeping your language simple, and practicing, you can avoid these common mistakes and significantly improve your interaction with ChatGPT. So, go ahead, start crafting better prompts today and see how much more you can get out of your ChatGPT experience. Avoiding these common mistakes can significantly improve your interaction with ChatGPT. So, are you ready to master the art of crafting ChatGPT prompts? We've come a long way together, covering the essentials of understanding ChatGPT, the art of crafting effective prompts, and the common pitfalls to avoid. This knowledge is vital, as it can be the difference between a successful interaction with artificial intelligence and a frustrating experience. Remember, a well-crafted prompt is like a key. It opens up a world of possibilities with ChatGPT. It's not just about asking questions, it's about sparking a conversation, engaging the AI in a dance of ideas and insights. So, what's next? Practice, of course. Apply these tips and tricks, experiment with different prompts, and observe how ChatGPT responds. You'll soon develop a knack for it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on what tip you'll start using first when crafting your ChatGPT prompts. And remember, there's a free book link in the top pinned comment or in my description for a deeper dive into prompt engineering. Happy prompting!